everyone! Are you ready for an adventure?
We sure are. We're going to
Kwanzaaland!
It's a magical world where we discover the 7 powerful principles of Kwanzaa.
Join Malcolm, Asa, and Yah as they meet the Kwanzaakans and the Mashumu Saba, the amazing guides of Kwanzaaland. They'll show us umoja, unity, kujichagulia, self-determination, and all the special ways we can celebrate our cultural heritage.
We learned that umoja means sticking together.
And Ujima is all about working together as a team.
And Imani is having faith in ourselves and each other.
This journey is going to be unforgettable, and we want you to come with us.
So bring your family and friends. Don't miss this chance to celebrate Kwanzaa like never before.